Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to continue my Blender project, and you can see what I've done to the roof is I've done this. So I made a crookie by going to sculpt mode and using this tool and just clicking and stuff. And then if you press shift and then click, it inverts this. So I'm going to do that. Okay, that looks a lot broken. Okay, that looks good. For now, that's good. We go to this mode. So we did last time. No, I want to delete this. Okay, so first we gotta delete that. Then what we're gonna do is add a mesh plane. S, scale it up. G, move it up here. Now I'll go here and G, and then go here, and then R, Y, and then R, Y, G, move it here, R, Y, and then go to this mode, and then S, like that, and then S, Y, G, Y, S, Y, G, Y, G, there, R, Y, oh, no, and then G, move it a bit out. And then what we can do is delete these X delete, X delete, X delete, X delete, X delete, X delete. And instead of that, we want to add, if you select this, do this, Shift D, R, Z 180, and then G, and G, and I think it's, yeah, well connected. Okay, so Control, Shift, and then Control J, and then go to this, go to the modifier tab, add mesh, no, not add mesh, add solidify, and then set the thickness up. And then if we go to edit mode, we can select this part, wait, Control Z, everything we just did. Okay, now go to edit mode, Alt E, extrude faces along north, E, press E to extrude like this. Yep, that's good. Oh, and what the hell? I forgot to X, delete that. And if we just like that, and now if we can see it properly, we can just go like that. And then, oh, and what we do, we're not doing this animation anymore, so we can throw that out of the window and X delete. And then we can, maybe add modifier subdivision surface. I know it looks a bit dumb, but you'll see at the end how it turns like. Control R like this, that, Control R like this, like that, Control R, no, like this, and like that, Control R, this, and then like that. Control R, this, and then that, and then Control R, like this, and then like that. Yep, I think that looks good. Then we can add a bevel. Oh, maybe move this above the and remove this. So put the subdivision above the solidify, and then we can go to object mode, right click shade smooth, and that looks good, except we gotta levels viewport more because it looks not smooth. And what thing, what is this? G, Control Z, S, scale it up, G, Alt, and right click shade smooth that. Now we can add windows. So if we select this, no, select the house, right click, go to edit mode, I mean, Control R, like that, go here, and then Control R, that, go here, Control R, like that, go there, Control R like that, go there, Control R like that, go there. It should be on the other side the same. No, it's not the same. Like that. Okay. And then what we want to do is select... No. And select this. Select this face. X delete faces. X delete faces. Wait a minute. What is this? No. And we just messed up everything we used to. Then if we try to select... Wait. Hold up. How? Edit mode. X delete faces. Yep. X delete faces. And then on this side, if we select this, X delete faces, X delete faces. I have no idea why there's 2 layers. Delete faces, X delete faces. And now we've got that. Now we can go to here, this mode. Oh no, why am I going to this mode? No, wrong. And then go to object mode, and then add a mesh, a cube. Select this. And hide that for a second. Where's my cube? Just a cube. G. S. No, this is the wrong way to do it. X delete. I know an easy way to do it. X select this. Go to edit mode, and then what you want to do is then to go to edge mode, shift, no, Control Z, shift, no, Control Z, shift, shift. Just like this, X delete faces, and then now we can go to this Alt, press Alt and then select it, and then press Shift D, right click, and then press P selection, then go to object mode, select the plane 03 only, and then go to modifier and then add, you can turn off the bevel, and then we can add a solidify, and I forgot that, and then we have to go to edit mode, shift, 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 and then E, extrude, Control Z, no, E, X, I mean on this side is EX, GX, then we can move it like around here, and then EI, and then I, and then what we can do is E, and then what we can do is Control Z, and then we can go to object mode and then add modifier solidify, like this, and then go like that, so it adds that window frame effect. Then we can right click shade smooth, and then we can add a bevel just because why not, and then we can change the amount of segments, right click shade smooth, and then we can go here and scale it up, G, and then shift D, Y, and then select this side, and then go to X mode and press G, and then move it here, and then R, rotate it like that, and then G, and then select this part, yep, and then we can press R, so rotate that, and then go here, and that's our frame done for that side, and then we can edit this one, select this side, oopsies, and then select this, and then go G, and then press A, no, go to object mode, shift D, Y, Control Z, GX, no, Control Z, shift DX, then go to here, this mode, and then we can select this, and then press R, Y, that G, and then R, Y, maybe a bit like that, G, and then go to this mode, and we just messed up. we just select this, and then we press edit mode, and then we just select this side, and then we go to X mode, and then press G, and go like that. Select top side, press G, and we go like that. Select this side, X, R, and then select this side, and then X, R, and then select the bottom's fine. And then we can go to object mode, and what do you know? It's Shift D, Y, and then you can go to X, and then Shift and middle mouse to move, and then go to edit mode. This one barely needs any editing. Oh yeah, it's already selecting that, and then R. Then that fixes it. Now we've got the frames, but then little typo. Oopsies, what did I just do? Little typo. So if we go on this side, see that this is not that line. So X and then G, X. Okay. Now, and then add mesh plane, and then G, and then R, Y, 90. And then G, and then R, Y, and then, what did Control Z. I don't know what I just did. I just hit it. And then SZ to scale it down. And then GZ up. S. And then GZ. And then press X. And then we can GY, and then go like that. SY, and then you can go like that. GY. Now we gotta kind of, no, why do I keep going to that mode? And then Shift D, Y, move there, and then Y, and then Shift D, X, and then RZ 180. Then go to this mode, Y again, and then G, and then move it back, then GY, here, Shift DY, here. And now we can go on to the shading. So first we gotta make this. If we go to the material, select this, and then go to material, and select the light. The strength is not that good, so we need to turn up the strength. Yep, that's good. And then we can change the color. I don't really like this color. We can make it a bit more bright, like that. That's pretty good. Select this, new, add this red, add roughness all the way down. And metallic. No, metallic is a bit. Yeah, you can see on this side it's reflecting really well. And then you can do here, select this, new material, new, select, and then we can select a darker brown, and then we can go to edit mode, and then we can select this, shift, and then shift this side, don't forget the top, shift, and the inside, shift, one last one, shift, and then press assign on the new material we just created. And we just created that, and now what the hell? G. Okay, we gotta scale this in a bit. So SY and then GY, SY, GY, SY, GY, SY. Yep. And then we can, on this one, SY, GY, SY. Yep, that's inside. And then SY. This one's a bit weird. Edit mode, select this side, R, GUI. Okay, and now we can go to shading mode, and we can select the frames. First of all, make them yeah. And for this one, we can do this color. A little bit fixing again. No, I know. That's just a shadow. And it's like this, minus. Yep. And then select this one. Select the new, select raindrop, like that. And now we can select the house. And we can select the house, I mean. And then we can do it like that. Select this. Now the windows. They're the rough one. Transmission roughness up. Transmission. And then we can do roughness down. Or I think there was a transparent BSDF. And then you can do the color just like that, and then we can do and then we can select this new principal DF into transparent DF, BSDF, new transparent. Well, that's a good one. And then we can do transparent DF, BSDF, I mean. And then if we and then if you want to hide this, we've basically completed our house modeling. And then if we go inside, oh, we want to be Control S, save our project. Okay, can't really see inside. Now, you can next delete this and no, Control Z. I'll do edit mode. No. X delete. Smooth. Hold on now. Okay, good. And then what we can do is scroll out and make a new line. So add mesh plane. Of course, G, like that. No. And then, no, minus. And then, and then like this. And if we go down, and then you can go to edit mode, and then select the top one, E, go up, and then Control R, like that, Control R, like that, Control R, like that, Control R, like that, Control R. Then we select this bottom part and E, and then move down, E, down, oopsies. Yep, and then E, okay, that's good. And then one other thing we need to do is add a mesh plane again. This time, if we go up, if we go to the Z-axis, do it like that. Just like this. Hold that for a second. G, just like this. S, Y, S, Y, S, X, S, X, S, X, S, X. GZ, they can move it down. Then GZ, move that up. Then what? X delete. Select this X. I don't even know why this keyframe on this. And then okay, and then we can go in this mode. Oh, that's why. And then new, add a, and then change the ground down. No, and then change the floor into maybe. I don't have to roughness down. And then what we can do is go out. Oh, of course, unhide this. After we add a new modifier on this, and except change this to a brownish color. It's not. I don't even know if that's brown. We should go in this mode for this. GZ. And then what I want to do is maybe add a mesh, a light area. Now this one is gonna be G on this guy. And if we go to the world, and we don't have this for a second, and we just have I don't know what the normal one is. Image texture, what is it? RGB? It was RGB. It was RGB. And then I can change it. And then okay, the strength is already good. And then we can set this to power up, like 1500. And then we can shift D on inside here, except this one is RX gonna be facing that way. G and GZ RX except this one's gonna be a bit green, and then size oh, we don't want it to be outside, so size a bit there, like that. You can see it in there like that, and then we can unhide that, and there we go. I upgraded this. I upgraded my abandoned home into a new home, and in the next tutorial I'll make a new animation rather than the old very bad animation.